Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to see about MySQL exercises which is given in your book bag. So we will solve these exercises first. So the table what we are going to see today is soft drink table which is available in your chapter 12 lesson. So here we need to create the table. After creating the table, we need to apply these queries. Okay. So before we create the table, we all know the steps that we need to create the database first. So create database and then database name we need to give at the end semicolon. And then we need to use the database. So use the database name what we have created we need to give at the end semicolon we need to enter. Afterwards we need to create the table using the create table command for creating the structure or schema of the table. Okay, so in the structure of the table we need to have the column names. Okay, column names are field name or attribute name. So here are totally 4 column names are there: drink code, D name, and then price, and then calories. Like that, 4 column names are there. So for these 4 column names, the data type we need to assign, and then size we need to give. Then any constraints if you want to assign, like primary key constraints, null constraints. So all those constraints, if you want to apply, you can apply the constraints while creating the table itself. After creating the structure of the table, we need to insert the values into the table. So totally 6 tuples we have here, starting from 101 to 106. Totally 6 rows we have here. So all these 6 rows we need to enter using the insert into table name and then values. Using this command we can insert the values. After creating the entire table with the values, we need to use the select query, that is DML command. Select query we need to use for displaying the values according to the conditions, or whatever questions are asked. According to that we need to display the values. Okay, so let us move on to the software, that is MySQL software. We will open and we will work with this table. Okay, so just click on this MySQL icon, then click on MySQL console. Then it will ask for password. If you already assigned password, you can give password. I have not assigned password, just press enter. Okay, now maximizes the screen. Then you just create the database name first. Okay, so use the command create database, and then database name I'm going to give as drinks. Okay, already I have created drink. So in the name of drinks I'm going to create the database name. So one row affected. If there is no error, so it will be showing like this query. Okay, one row affected, like that you will get the display. Okay, so after creating this database you need to use the database. So use drinks I'm entering, use just drinks at the end semicolon, then database. Now it is changed. Now if you want to show the database, whatever databases I have created till now, that if you want to see, you can use the name called as show databases at the end semicolon. So it will show all the databases which are there. So already I said drink already I have created, so I have changed the database name like drinks, and then the employee table also. In the last class I have explained with this employee database name. Okay, so these are the databases you have now. So you can use any of these databases for creating your table. So now I'm going to use what database? Use drinks. Okay, so drinks database I'm going to use for creating the table. Now we are going to apply the command create table, table name. So table name is what? Soft drink. So like that only it was given, no? So just look at here. The table name is soft drink. You need to create in this name. So soft drink. Afterwards, parenthesis enter, and then parenthesis you need to open. So you need to know the values which are there in the that is column names which are used in the soft drink table. So drink code is having numbers, numeric values, so it should be in integer data type. And then D name is character or varchar data type we can give, and price is having decimal value, so we will give decimal data type. And then calories also integer only. Okay, so like this we will assign. So here drink code only is going to be assigned as the primary key constraint. Okay, that constraint also we can set now. Just look at the screen, MySQL screen. So create table soft drink, and then we need to create the first field name, that is drink code. Okay, so drink code we will create now. So what is the first field name? Drink. Don't use spaces. Okay, drink code. So it should be assigned with integer. Okay, should be assigned with integer. Then comma, next value. So for next only one parenthesis is enough. So next field name is what? D name. D name is having uh, number of characters. There is lime and lemon, like that the values are there. So it should be a character data type or varchar data type you can assign. So now I'm going to assign character of some 20. Number of characters maximum allowed is 20 here. And then next I'm going to give price. Okay, so price belongs to integer only, sorry, decimal. Okay, so because it is having a decimal value, if you look at here, it has a dotted decimal value. So we will give decimal. Okay, so decimal, just only one character space you need to give after this field name. Okay, and then after giving data type, give semicolon, sorry, comma, at the next at the end, enter. Next one, calories. So this is the another field name. So calories are entered as values only. See, integer values only. Okay, so we need to give integer only here. Integer, integer we will give. Okay. So after giving integer, we need to close the parenthesis and then we need to give semicolon at the end. So if it is correct, you won't get any error. If there is any mistake, you will get error. Okay, so there is no error. Query okay, 0 rows affected. So now if you want to see the structure of this created database now, the created table now, so we need to give describe, DESC or describe, the full name itself we can give. So DESC or describe database name we need to, table name we need to give. So what is the table name here? Soft drink. So we will give DESC or describe. Okay. See, first I am going to give describe, table name is soft drink, then semicolon. So it is showing where I didn't assign any constraints. Okay, null also it will accept. So yes, SSS it is giving. Key constraints I didn't assign. So default values, no null values it will take. It will take null values also. So drink code integer of 11. Defaultly it is taking 11. Okay, and then d name is drink name is character of 20 data type, and then decimal value point after that is 0. Okay, so decimal value 10 values maximum it will be allowed in the before dot, and then calories integer 11. So like that totally the structure of this table, that is field name and then type of the field, and then whether it is assigned as null or key constraints, anything is assigned, everything we can see from the structure. Okay, so for this we can use this describe command, or else we can use this DESC also. DESC, then soft drink if you give no, it is showing the same structure of the table. So now you have understood how to create the schema or the structure of the table using the create table name command. So now we need to insert these values. See, these values we need to insert one by one. For that we need to use the insert into table name command. Okay, so let us see that command also. Insert into, and then table name is what? Soft drink, and then we need to open the, see, we need to type this values also. Okay, soft drink after values, and then open parenthesis. Open parenthesis after we need to know the values. What are the values we need to give? In the same order we will give. Okay, so 101. We will give 101 here, and then if it is an integer type, no need to give within single quotes. If it is a character type only, we need to enter in single quotes. Okay, so now we need to assign the next value, that is it should be in single quotes, because it is a string data type or character data type. So lime and lemon I'm going to do, lime and lemon. Okay, now comma, then decimal value. Decimal value also no need to give. Numbers, any numbers no need to give in single quote. So first value is 20.00. Okay, next is calories, also number only, so just close the parenthesis. At the end, semicolon you need to do compulsorily. So one row is affected. In the same method, the same manner, you can assign the values for other rows also. Okay, so next row value, just I'm going to complete fastly. 18.00. Then value is apple drink. That is drink code is, drink name is apple drink. Apple drink. Okay, the number is to drink code values 1 or 2 end. So one another row is also affected. Now third row I'm going to enter. The value here is 15. That is calories is 115. Next, instead of 18 we need to give 15. So instead of apple drink we need to give nature nectar. Nature nectar. Okay, then afterwards we need to give 103, give end, and then press enter. Okay, another row is also affected. Now we are going to enter the third row value, sorry, fourth row value, 140. 140 calories, 140, this 15 only. Then here the name is green mango. So I'm using backspace key in order to delete the values. So green mango. So after giving the drink name, drink code, you change it, give end, give enter. Okay, now next row, that is fifth row. Totally 6 rows we have, so we need to complete another one more row. Okay, so 135, now 20. So next is, instead of green mango, am panna. Okay, am panna. This is the next drink name, am panna. Then the value, that is drink code is 105. Press end key and then enter key. Now last row value, that is 150. Okay, so 150, here 12. Next, instead of am panna, see, don't forget to give this comma. So am panna, mango juice bahar. Next drink name is mango juice bahar. Okay, so after this, drink code end, enter. So now we will see the table values. Okay, so just we need to use this select star. Select star. Star means all. Okay, star. Star for giving getting star, shift plus shift key along with the number 8 keys there. No, 8 key above you have the star asterisk symbol. So select asterisk symbol, that is star. Select star from the table name soft drink. Select star from soft drink. Star means all the field names. Select star from soft drink at the end semicolon. We are not going to give any condition. It is going to display all the values. So like how we are having the table here, 101 to 106, lime, lemon to mango juice bahar, 20 to 12, and then 120 to 150. So same values we are getting from here. Next we are going to apply the first query, that is to display the names. So only the name, only the drink names and the drink codes. See here, drink name and drink codes alone, that has more than 120 calories. The condition is 120 calories. So in order to apply the condition, we need to go for which class? Where class. Okay, so where class we need to use to apply the condition. Okay, so now let us see that command also, how to get the display the names and drink codes of those drinks that has more than 120 calories. So what values and all will get displayed? Lime and lemon more than 120. That means only two. sorry, only three. Okay, my green mango, arm panna, mango juice bahar alone. So more than 120, this is not more than or equal to. So we need to give, we will get the values green mango, arm panna, and then mango juice, because these calories only is more than 120, 140, 135, 150 only more than 120. So let us see the code for this first. Okay. So again go to this MySQL. We will type the query, select dname, and then drink code. Okay, dname and drink code. I didn't give space, so you give like that. So dname comma drink code from soft drink. Okay, from soft drink where calories calories, what is the name given in this field? Calories only, no? So same name only we need to enter here. Calories greater than 120, greater than 120 at the end, semicolon. So you will get only these values. I said no, only drink code and drink name we will get. Okay, next this is the output for this select query. Okay, next question is what? Next question is to display drink codes, names, and calories of hot drinks. So that means drink code, drink D name, calories also we need to display in descending order of calories. So calories need to be ordered by calories DESC. We need to give descending order DESC or DE descending. That full name we can give. So let us see that also. Okay. So select. So second query is what? Select. We need to display three values: drink code, comma, D name, comma, calories. The condition is from soft drink. Okay, from soft drink, order by, no condition, just we need to order by calories. Okay, we need to order by calories, DESC. So first let us see with DESC, and then I will explain how instead of DESC we can give descending also. Okay, so in the descending order, see from greatest value to smallest value, calories wise, 150 to 115. So like that we are getting as per calories. Okay, calories order we are getting the values. So now you are clear with this second question. Now let us move on to same this one command we will apply with the help of descending. We will check it. Okay, from soft drink, instead of DESC, no, we will enter full descending. Okay, so end, uh, press enter. Now we'll check it. Okay, calories descending order. So again error only. So just you need to give DESC alone. Okay, order by DESC alone we will give DESC. Okay, at the end, semicolon, then press enter. So you are getting the answer. So descending, if you are giving, you won't get the answer. So DESC alone you need to give in order to display the values in the descending order. By default, how the values will be displayed? Okay, ascending order only. If you are not mentioning any order by condition, no, order by the which field name order you need to display the value. If you're not mentioning, defaultly it will be displaying the values in the ascending order. So next we will see the next question, that is to display the name. Third question is what? To display the names and price of drinks that have price in the range 12 and 12 to 15. Okay, so both 12 also and 18 also you need to, 12 to 18 also you need to include. So for that we will see the command. Okay, query we will see. So select dname, select dname, comma, price from soft drink where price is between. Okay, between operator we need to use when the value is not falling between one range to another range, between 12 to 18, 12 and 18. Two, you no need to give. Okay, you should not give two and all, only and operator or operator is going to be allowed in this between keyword. Okay, so where price between 12 and 18 at the end, semicolon. So we are getting the answer like this. Okay, based on the D name and then price, based on the price, no, it should be between 12 and 18. So which prices and all is between 12 to 15, those values only is going to be displayed here. So what is the next question? Next query is increase the price of all the drinks in the given table by 10 percentage. So we need to display the value, only the price and the name also we can display. They didn't mention which and all we need to display in the table. So only main thing is a price of all the drinks, that is drink names, no, all the drinks prices from 20 and from 18, 15, 20, 12 to 10 percentage we need to increase. Okay, so for that we need to use the formula. So let us see the query. Update command, that is we need to update the table value. So soft drink, update soft drink, set price is equal to price plus 0.10. So that is the value for 10 percentage. 10 by 100 means 0.1 only. Okay, into price we need to give. So already available price value, that is 18, 15, 12, 20 and all is there, no? With that price we need to add 10 percentage. So 10 percentage of the price value we need to add with the existing price. So this first price is known as existing price, and the second, no, after this equal to symbol, the second price name is indicating the increased value, that is the 10 percentage. If we are increasing from the price value, so that value is going to be added with the old price value. So we will get the updation now. Okay, so now we will apply the select query command. So select start from soft drink, okay, select start from soft drink. So now the values, already existing prices are updated with the 10 percentage. Okay, so this is the answer for your this query, that is update soft drink, set price is equal to price plus 0.10 into price. Okay, at the end, semicolon. So the last query is for you need to update the value of the existing price. Okay, so the first three commands are for selecting the values and displaying the values. So I think now you have understood this exercise properly. Then next we will see another exercise. Like that we will see some more exercises in this MySQL until you are clear with all the topics. Okay, thank you.